Hey Ron, how's it going? Happy Monday, and thanks for getting back. So I've been reviewing your site, and what I noticed, okay, so you've got credible social proof with New York Times bestseller, which is really great. What I would do is I would get more focused in the copy, so take your service to a higher level. But for who is your ideal customer? Is it like managers, leaders? Is it people in concierge, whatever, or entrepreneurs? And I would expand more in the subheader with like how, like the header is basically what you do. The subheader is like how you do it. And I see you have your video. What converts better always is putting the video at the top. So this social proof I would have under this like featured, and this is great. I would have this more animated sliding. This site, you have all the correct points, like the great things, but it just looks kind of outdated. It looks very like 2014, 2015. And the video here, this I know for a fact hurts conversions, where you have to click. What I would do ideally is, if I were you, is if you have your YouTube set up, what you can do, what's better is have your video on YouTube, and then you just embed the YouTube video here. And I would have it on autoplay, because having it on autoplay is always going to convert better. And instead, the CTA would be more impactful. So the CTA then would take people, instead of to watch the video, you already have the video, the lead magnet in there. So instead, have the opt-in form there. So people, either you have your goal focus on getting people to sign up, or just go buy your book. So just really pick one or the other and just stick with that. You can even test two different pages on that. Generally, white doesn't do so well with CTAs. So that's the biggest thing. Just the direction you're leading people. That is the number one thing that could be more optimized. And then I see you have the social proof with the logos. So you could be more specific, like featured in. And then I saw also, so you have your, the results you can achieve, the benefits. So the benefits, I would put this right after the hero. So you'd have the hero, the benefits, then just really getting into more social proof. And yeah, you have this. This is awesome. This is people very high level. I would put this higher too. So you could have hero with the featured in, benefits, then reviews. But if you have more, the better. So you have a book. So I would have even more than that. Yeah, the strategy call. You're directing people in too many different places. So just really take them to either the call, the book sales, or an opt-in form. So you're kind of having people go all over, which hurts everything. So I would just keep that a lot focused, a lot tighter. And that I know for a fact will increase it's not good to have both. So I would go about it that way. And look, if I just refresh, so I had a pop-up twice, which does not help either, because when you have the pop-up come up right away, people want to see first who you are, your credibility, your trust. They want to see what you do, what you're about, and then choose to sign up. But the biggest thing is keeping the conversion goal focused and taking people either to a call, email, or the book sales, and just have the video on there on autoplay. So yeah, I'd be happy to discuss more. Would you be available today or tomorrow at 2 p.m. EST? Let me know, please, if that works for you, and it would be great to discuss more.